Do it yourself and DIY is really great for furniture flipping, but not so great for your immigration forms. I am going to give you 3 reasons why you should not do your own immigration applications or use a notario. First of all, immigration law is always changing. The laws that are coming in the near future are going to be very different than what we've had in the past. So if you want someone dedicated to monitoring those laws, reading those laws, understanding those laws, and knowing how they apply in your specific case, you absolutely want to hire an immigration attorney who can defend you and who has the experience and knowledge to respond to questions in the way you need them to be answered. Reason number 2, there are complex legal requirements here for everybody. A good immigration attorney will make things seem easier than they actually are. What many people don't know is that even though the questions are available to you for free on the government websites, the answers to those questions are what is most important. How you understand the questions, how you answer these questions. And every question has a law that's related to it. So if you decide to skip an answer or maybe not tell them exactly how many times you've been married or how many children you really have, because after all, how can they find out? Then you really need an immigration attorney. Last reason is because why go to someone who doesn't fully understand the consequences of not answering the question correctly or giving you extremely bad advice? Or maybe, just maybe, they don't even know that they're giving you legal advice. They're just repeating what they've heard on TikTok or what they heard their friends say, or maybe they used to work at a law firm and I know how to answer this. This is super easy. You really need to consider the costly mistakes that can happen when somebody who doesn't understand the consequences of what they're doing to your life. When someone is just helping you prepare, the only thing that they can legally do is translate the documents for you. What does this question say? Da 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 da. What does that question say? Da 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 da. The second that they tell you, oh, don't worry, that's not important, they're giving you legal advice. And you are accepting that advice, which means you are accepting the consequences of answering that question. And because they do not understand the consequences of what they are doing, it can cost you a lot more than what you're paying them. It will cost you your presence in the United States. So if you really value the experience, the knowledge, and the sophistication it takes to truly fill out these application forms, then you will have to consider calling an immigration attorney so that they can help you with your legal needs. So call the law office of Belia Pena today, 956-831-1424. There are attorneys here who can help you, who can guide you, and who can give you the appropriate legal advice that you specifically need.